Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with a Samsung Galaxy A17 5G, and in this video I'm going to show you a neat little trick to get into the phone a lot quicker if you have the face unlock set up as your lock screen security. So at the moment I have face unlock set up. So as you can see, the padlock is there, and now when I look at the display, it unlocks. But for me to get into the phone, I still need to swipe, as you can see. But once you turn this setting off, what I'm about to show, you will no longer need to swipe to get into the phone. You just need to simply look at the display and it will unlock and bring you straight to the home screen. Okay, so just follow the steps I'm about to show to turn this option off. So just pull down the notifications and go into the settings, and then scroll down to where it says lock screen. Go ahead and select it, and then select this option up here at the top, screen lock and biometrics, and then enter your password. Then select face recognition. And then just go ahead and turn this option off, stay on lock screen until swipe. So just go ahead and turn it off. And now, when you go back to the lock screen there, and look at the display, as you can see, unlocks and brings you straight to the home screen. Let's do that again. So as you can see, that's a neat little trick. It lets you into the phone a lot quicker than having to swipe. Okay, so that's it for the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next video. I'm out. Deuces.